Hey everybody, Temptation 2003 here with you, coming from northern Minnesota. We're in the middle of a snowstorm, supposed to get 10 to 20 inches of snow. We already got a bunch, but it's supposed to continue till tomorrow morning, and the heavy stuff hasn't hit us yet. But I'm gonna go around town, mount the video camera in the window, and try and get some decent video footage for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe, and hope you enjoy the video. Okay, later. Yeah, you can tell we got some pretty good snowdrifts going on there. Then it goes back down to nothing, and then more, and then nothing. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Got semi pulled out. Anyways, yeah, the snowdrift is up here, so it's good. It's coming over the road here, but anyway, yeah. I'll go around the other side. Woo. Oh yeah, we're a good 3-foot snowdrift right there. I'll hook this bugger back up. That's where little cars and stuff would get in trouble, especially if they don't see it, like in the middle of the road. Then they go plowing into it. Next thing you know, they're stuck. Yeah, that was incredibly deep. I think we might have got a little snow on our belt. Squeaking. But yeah, the whole road, like, yeah. There's some major snowdrifts out here. Hopefully you can see by the back of the pickups, snowdrifts are up there pretty darn good. So I just found this kid out at the point. He was stuck, so I pulled him backwards, and now he's trying to keep going and get out of wherever the heck he's at. So yeah, that makes 3 vehicles I pulled out so far. So we'll see how he does.